Envirothon is an international competition for high school age students, and students form teams of 5 and they compete at a series of events around their individual state or province, and then they qualify to go to a state championship. Every school looks at Envirothon a little bit differently. In some cases it's a class where it's a full year, and one semester they may work on soils and aquatics, and the next semester it might be the other stations. In other cases it's just a club, and they get the study material. The resource materials are put together by resource professionals in the given field, and the students prepare to get ready for the competitions in the spring.
I like to participate in Envirothon because I think there's a lot about the state and the environment that I don't know. There's a lot of lakes and parks that I haven't explored yet, and I think Envirothon helps me learn a little bit more about what's out there.
Envirothon is important because it covers a lot of the things that students don't get in their everyday classes. There's a lot of hands-on learning. It puts them out, out of doors, which is really important to Maine. So I think that it's something that's very tangible and very accessible for most kids in Maine.
Our teacher came up to me and she said, "How would you like to be part of the Envirothon?" I had no idea what it was. And once I got into it, I figured out, how things kind of work, and now I love it. It's a great thing to do.
Plum Creek has sponsored Envirothon for the last 7 or 8 years. Envirothon exposes you to a lot of different disciplines which are all related to forestry. Tree measurements, tree identification, water resources, wildlife. All these things are all factored in when you're managing a forest.
Students rotate through the 5 stations, and they go and they take the exams at each station, and then the highest scoring teams advance to the state final. Welcome to the 2014 Maine State Envirothon Championship. Congratulations to all of you guys for making it this far. This is awesome.
Well, it's pretty exciting. I mean, we are one of 3 teams from the region that made it to states, so it's really exciting to be here competing today. And we're really excited to be around other people who are really interested in the environment too, and have been preparing for this as well.
So we basically come here, it's an environmental science competition. We get tested on forestry, aquatics, soils, wildlife, and a current issue project, which this year is all about sustainable agriculture.
With our business, we plan to sustain the enterprise economically over a long period of time while enriching the quality of life for farmers, schools, and the general population.
The biggest advantage and strongest point of Envirothon is that it's real-world issues that these students are looking at. Here in Maine, we're blessed with incredible natural resources. Teaching these students how to make those resources sustainable into the future, and giving them a base and appreciation for those resources is something that we really promote in Envirothon.
First place for 2014 Envirothon.